So this is literally my third time filming this intro. I don't know what's going on with my camera. It keeps like stopping recording. It keeps messing up, but I'm hoping that I fixed it. It is currently 7:15 on Saturday morning. I was gonna do a flea market episode today, but I figured, you know what? I already pumped out 3 of them. I was there Thursday. There's no sense of doing it. So I'm gonna wait till next week to do another one. But today I'm going garage sale hunting. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that almost every weekend I would go to garage sales and yard sales, and I would sometimes hit, sometimes I wouldn't find anything, but it's kind of just cool to be out of the realm and go to different things other than just normal thrift stores. So we are gonna hit up 2 local like yard sale events, like city events. So I'm hoping there'll be a ton of vendors. I'm hoping there'll be a ton of stuff. I hope we find some good stuff. I'm currently going to the bank to pull out some cash because I have no cash on me. And then we're gonna go hit up the sales. This one sale starts at 8, the other sale starts at 9. And then I'm also thinking about going down to the normal thrift stores because they open usually around like 10, 11. Or some of them even open at 9, but you know, you get the point. So what I'm thinking of doing is hitting some garage sales, seeing what we can find, and then going to normal thrift stores. I'm probably gonna include this footage with yesterday's footage. Yesterday, I hit the thrift store, but I didn't find almost anything, and I also went to my new apartment. If you guys saw, I did get approved for that, and I will be moving in more than likely next week, or just gotta finish out some like things that were broken at the apartment. So, like I said, I am headed to the bank, getting some cash, and let's go hit up this first yard sale. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Let's get it, guys. Got the goods. So like I said, this one started at 8, but it's 7:30 and I already see a lot of people. I see rolling racks of clothes, so I'm hoping it'll be good. But this is also good that we're getting here early because obviously early bird gets a worm, but also it's good because we can head to the next one and see. I'm hoping there's not many competitors. I'm hoping more competitors are at the swap shop today, the flea market that you guys usually see me at, but you never know. So let's see what we can find, guys. So far it seems like it's a lot of like wow, look how sick that mirror is, and look at that guy's jacket that he's wearing, like the Kellogg's. Look at this mirror. Yeah, it's insane. Look at his jacket. Let me see if I can get it. It's like a Kellogg's. Your jacket, I love it. Oh, thanks. All right, let's go to these clothing racks. Lucky brand. Guy's wearing some Yeezys. Converse. French Connection. So all the t-shirts are like new age prints. And they're all super small too. Like a literally size small. Bazinga. Dolphins starter from 93, like a full roster. It's pretty cool. Sadly, there was only literally one person selling men's clothes, and you guys saw there was just like a bunch of small reprint shirts, and the jackets were nothing special. So I'm gonna go ahead to the next one and see what it is. That one doesn't start till 9, and it's not even 8 yet, so I don't know how early I can be to set up there. But we'll see, you know. Hope we have a good day. So this is why you gotta come early. This garage sale advertised that they open at 9 is 8 o'clock, and there's like 15 people already looking through the stuff. So it's like, don't pay attention to the start times. Always get there whenever you wanna go.
Alright, so I'll just pick out the chunky thing.
Morning.
Morning.
Oh, I love your top. Oh.
Thank you.
Oh. Best dogs in the world.
I got more to go back.
Yeah, I had a lab. He just recently passed, sadly.
I had a golden lab for 15 years.
Oh yeah?
My best friend in the world.
He's the only comic?
I loved him so much.
Yeah.
And he was so smart.
Oh, okay.
And
Yeah.
you believe in reincarnation, right?
Yeah, mine was 9.
Can go in.
I'm trying to think what.
There's a lot of good bargains in here.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look at the clothes now.
I haven't even unpacked all of them, but I'm getting...
No, take your time. I think we're early.
Yeah.
Look at this Gore-Tex.
I got men's, I got women's.
Awesome. Look how sick this is. Little biker vest. Make a little pile. What is this jacket? Oh no, these are pants. Oh, these are matching Gore-Tex pants to the jacket. So it's a little suit. That's cool. It says a Royal Bingo. Wow, look at this belt. It's kind of cool. This matches my the bomber Picasso
This box right
scarf.
here, but you have to find homes for it. It's cups and saucers. That's the only thing.
No problema.
I think it's Picasso. Yeah, it is. So at that garage sale, I ended up getting the Gore-Tex jacket with matching pants, the bear cutoff shirt, and then both Picasso scarves, which actually, I don't even know if I showed you the other one. This is the other one. I paid $10 for everything, so not bad at all. And then this is another one, 2 Picassos. Now we're just gonna kind of continue. We're headed to 2 more garage sales, and I think after that, I'll head down to the normal thrift stores. It's only 8 a.m. Like I said, that garage sale advertised that they were gonna open at 9. So you could just see, like I said, if you guys are going garage sale hunting, don't pay attention to the start time. Don't wait till 9 to go. If you're up early, just go and get it. Those Picasso scarves aren't really worth that much, to be honest, but I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna repurpose them. I think I'm gonna sew them on the back of denim jackets, like the back of it. I think that'll look super sick. It'll give a kind of a unique vibe in just selling normal Picasso scarves. So that's the reason why I bought that. That Gore-Tex suit I'll probably keep for myself. It's a size large. I don't know if it's a women's large or men's large. I have to try it on. But hey, yeah, you know, nice little finds. And like I said, for $10, you really can't go wrong for what I paid. Let's hope we do better at the next one.
That's called donation. You have no idea what you got in there.
Hello.
You have valuable things. I could be, you know, please.
Looking for anything in particular?
20 and
Men's
go.
clothes, old men's clothes, men's shoes, t-shirts, jackets.
All that stuff I pretty much donate. I'll take a quick look. But
Yeah, thank you.
Here's some men's shirts. Hi.
How are you?
I just heard about these just now. These are, I don't even know my husband meant to donate these, but. Tom, do you, where do these come from?
Oh, I think I brought them all home for Simon.
Oh, okay.
But
Are these clothes for you? Look, she
That's
broke
a
up
medium.
yeah, this was a 3-piece bathing suit set.
whatever. Here.
Oh, I hate when they do that. but
Men's.
Cool.
I can't stress.
It's a woman's though.
Yeah, that's a woman's one. Sorry, we didn't get a chance to do
Yeah,
much.
just there's some men's stuff.
Yeah, I'll look around. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Not too many pants, though, I don't think.
Now, most of the stuff that I have, I donate. I don't think I've really gotten this time.
You broke up so many sets of things. Oh, let it go. Let it go. Here, take 4 out. Here, take 1 out. Good morning.
Take them all out?
Well, no, just leave it under somewhere. The whole bag of.
I'll just leave it here.
Yeah.
Okay. If they want plastic, they can have plastic.
California.
Are you looking for anything in particular?
No, just wondering.
All right.
Here's from the lot of things.
home on Saturday.
Oh, that's true.
Take those out with these
No,
glasses.
they come out from that box over there.
Okay.
This doesn't need to be really.
Well, let's see these. It's like a bootleg women's Gucci jacket. Like it has like that Gucci ribbing. It's kind of unique.
Wow, that's sad.
And then a dolphin shirt.
March.
This time of the year, it's good to get out.
Sometimes after work.
You have a good day. Be safe. Thank you.
What were you thinking on these two?
The stickers.
Dolphins t-shirt and then the woman's jacket.
Oh, okay. $1 altogether.
I ended up paying $1 for both of those, for 50 cents for the Dolphins t-shirt and 50 cents for, I don't even know what brand that jacket is. Somebody cut the inside tag, but it just looks like Gucci. Like it has that silver, it has that red and green webbing on the top and the cuffs, so it's kind of cool. And for 50 cents, yo, you can't go wrong. Maybe I'll give it to a friend, maybe I will just post it on my website. By the way, EMC Vlogs coming soon. My website is coming back. So just stay tuned for that. I've been uploading every single day to it. So just stay tuned for that. I'll tell you guys when the launch day is, and when the launch day goes, then you know, I'll have a lot of nice stuff. Excited, but there's another garage sale. I didn't see much men's clothes. I passed this one going to the one I was just at, but let's quickly run up and see if they got any men's stuff. All embroidered Crooks and Castles, like quilted jacket. It's pretty sick. So I just grabbed the Crooks and Castle hoodie for $2. I like it just because I don't think you guys can feel the quality. Well, obviously you can't feel the quality. That's dumb. But it's all embroidered. It's like a quilted hoodie. Like, it's super nice. But as I was waiting there, I didn't have my camera on. This lady is sitting there asking how much something is. And the lady's like telling her like 20 bucks. And then there's another, like her friend, like laughing like and I make a comment to her. I'm like, I don't get why you guys laugh when people tell you prices. Like, stop being disrespectful to the fucking sellers. Like, you're coming here trying to buy stuff and people are like giving you 20 and you're like laughing at their face. I was like, why are you laughing? And she's like, oh no, it's the mask. Like, I'm not laughing, it's the mask, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, no, you're being disrespectful. Like, I hate disrespectful people that are like that. Like, if somebody tells you a price, don't start laughing at their face. Like, you want that much? Like, no, just politely say, sorry, I'll pass. Like, don't be a dick. Like, I hate dicks. Like, people that are just complete assholes for no reason. But that was the rant for today. We're gonna hit up another yard sale in the area. What time is it? It's currently 8:33. We have about 30 minutes or so till the thrift store opens. Thrift store's open at 9, so I guess we'll see. Let's hope we get some better stuff, but honestly, we're not, at least we're finding stuff, you know? At least we're finding something. I wish that Crooks and Castle jacket was bigger. I'm gonna try it on. It says a medium, but I'm gonna try it on because, like I said, the quality on it's really nice. But let me put in the maps, let me put the camera down and figure out where this next garage sale is. Thought that was Gucci.
Coins, watches, coins. Nothing.
Sadly, nothing good. Good morning. Let's see what this is. Antarctica Voyage of Discovery. Interesting. Members only. Trader Bay. French River, Monaco. That's all the men's clothes or jackets you have?
I think so, yes.
Yeah, okay. Thank you, have a good day.
Show me what you want and then I'll tell you.
How much is it for the set?
Oh, dude. I don't know. So again, throwing them. I mean, this is just like leftovers.
I kind of just want the
grass?
Yeah, the grass ones. I don't think I would want these. Do they just connect in?
Yeah, they clip real easy.
Have they been used?
Yeah, this is on a patio. Well, that one hasn't.
Oh, okay.
That's brand new, and I think that goes for like 40 bucks at UK, but we do it for like 15 or something. But
Yeah.
I don't know. We'll do.
Is
like
it? Oh, okay.
So it's like a puzzle piece.
Okay, but it's just for decoration, or it's not for dogs?
Yeah. Well.
Like, can dogs pee on it or no?
Rain. That's a good question.
Yeah,
I
that's
don't know.
that's
I'm sure like with time it'll get messy.
yeah.
It's not meant for that. It's
Yeah, for
like a patio.
Oh, okay.
I mean, you know, you look at it like it drains through this.
Yeah.
This for sure drains. I mean, I used to be in this.
I just saw the chewy, so I thought it went
No,
with it. I didn't realize
random.
it's just turf.
Random.
Okay. Maybe not then. I was thinking it was for the dogs.
No, I don't think it'll work with dogs. I mean,
Yeah.
like.
It could, but yeah, like you'll have to throw it away eventually.
Yeah. I mean, if you're reselling it or something, maybe. But if you're doing it for your dog, I would say.
Yeah, no, it's for my dog. Okay, thank you. So we have 4 pairs of Carhartt pants, and then look at this, it fits like perfect, my camera inside it. And then I'm always traveling, so I'm gonna get this for myself. I got 5 pairs of Carhartt pants. I have no idea the sizing, no idea the fit. And then I got a brand new pair of Under Armour, like tracksuit, brand new with the tags, pants with the matching jacket. I got that travel scale for me. You guys know I'm always going to Colorado and traveling, and I'm always like, at the airport, it's like you have to either do 50 pounds or 40 pounds, and I'm always like rearranging the stuff, so that's perfect. I can have a little, you know, a baggage scale. And then that Pelican case literally fits this camera that I'm vlogging on, the G7X, like perfectly. Like I was like, oh, what camera is this for? He's like, oh, it's for an old school camera. He's like, but I see you have an old school camera, maybe it'll fit yours. And I'm like, hey, let's give it a try. And he's like, no way, it literally fit perfect, like a glove. So I was like, you know what, I'll take it. If I bring this camera to the beach or something and I don't want it to get wet, the Pelican case is literally perfect. So for $2, I couldn't complain. I ended up paying, what did I end up paying? $10 for everything. The 5 pairs of Carhartt pants, the Under Armour suit, the travel scale, and that little Pelican camera case. So that wasn't bad at all. Now I think I'm just gonna head home, to be honest. I've been out since 6 a.m. Hitting the garage sales, and then yesterday. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna end today's video here. I hope you guys did enjoy. Make sure you guys come back. If you guys didn't check out yesterday, I posted part 3 of the selling sessions at the Swap Shop Flea Market, so make sure you guys go check out that. You guys have been killing it. Stay tuned for emcvlogs.com. That will be launched probably next week sometime. I'm uploading, and I want to have like everything uploaded before I launch it, so just stay tuned for that. Stay tuned for me moving to the new apartment. Just stay tuned for daily content at 8 p.m. 2021 is starting off amazing, and you know what? This is my year. This is the year that we get to 100,000 subs. This is the year that, you know, new place, just new everything. So I will see you guys tomorrow for another video, 8 p.m. and don't forget, guys, let's get it.